But I'll take care of you either way. Just enjoy yourself, have a good time, and we're, going to talk some trash to each other along the way. Just keep it moderate, okay? Keep it moderate. We like talking. It's what we do. And watch out for Arkham and the Cheeseman and sometimes Dylan. You got to watch out for them, okay? Good luck, everybody. Take a screenshot now or forever hold your peace. It's ripping time. Okay. All right. I know exactly where we're starting. We're starting with the hangers. Thank you for having patience tonight, folks. It took probably about an hour longer than it normally does, but that's okay. It's part of the gig, part of the deal. And sometimes that means a good thing can happen when you have to wait for it. That is Aiden Hutchinson, Empty Box. And I'll post a video for tomorrow morning's break after we're done here. And then you'll see me bright and early, 12 hours from now. Khalil Mack, Empty Box. We got two defensive nastiness. We're gonna go with Khalil. We're going with Khalil. It's Khalil time. Good luck, everybody. Khalil Mack, Anthony Richardson, Tyreek Hill, Drew Bledsoe, Gus Edwards, Chris Olave, Zach Charbonnet, Aaron Rodgers, DeAndre Hopkins, Tony Dorsett, Miles Sanders. Behind Amon-Ra, rookie, and it's already starting for the Panthers. Where they missed all afternoon, they didn't right here. There you go, Ryan. That's an excellent start. Silver Hollow style. How about a Jahmyr Gibbs for the Detroit Lions? We don't mind that either. James Lofton. Chris Olave. Good old Mike. Let's go ahead and get him out of the way, Dan. Latu on the base, rookie for Prismatic. For the Chiefs, Xavier Worthy, Green Wave Prismatic, and Will Shipley for the Eagles. You got an Eagle, bro. One showed up already. Okay, that's a good thing. That's a good sign. Anybody hopping in that shop, that is tomorrow morning's break. My regular 8:30 break. Just so you know. I don't want you to get confused. That is for tomorrow morning. And we'll build my little wall up here for some extra deeds. And you got a little James Lofton too. That ain't bad. We ain't mad at that. We're not mad at that. Okay. Hey, missus. Let's see here. Aiden Hutchinson, Joe Burrow, Kyle Pitts, Ernest Biner, Ed Reed, Tyreek Hill, Drew Bledsoe, Gus Edwards, Bill Parcells, Ty J. Spears, Darius Slay Jr., Geno Smith. We've got a Silver Hollow Eagle, Eric Allen. For the Bills, Don Beebe. Tua Tagovailoa for the Dolphins. Okay. DK Metcalf for the Seahawks, who don't always get a lot of love. And here we go, Jags. A little treat going to Bill on the green wave. Brian Thomas Jr. Base Prismatic Keon Coleman. Uh-oh. There's more than just one person. I knew it. Luke McCaffrey on the Emergent and Quinion Mitchell. Another Eagle. Sorry, Arkham. Sometimes it's him too. You know it is. There's no way around it. We can't hide from it. It just is. But maybe he's out of the way now too. We got Pratt out of the way. We got McCaffrey out of the way. Now we can just, do work. Who got the Dolphins tonight? Oh, that guy. Eagles are showing up plentifully at the moment, bro. They're not hiding from you. Okay? Not bad. Both those hangers weren't bad. That's pretty good hangers. But now we get into some mega action. 2 megas to be exact. And this will end the retail for the night. Styrofoam. That's what we call in the industry an empty box. I didn't create it. It's just what it's called. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. These megas have been awesome, by the way. Anybody hopping in that shop, that break is for tomorrow morning, 8:30 Eastern Standard Time. Empty box. Not a thing. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. All right, good luck. It's all hobbies from after these. It's all hobby action. Deuce McAllister. Oh, hold up. Danny White. Champ Bailey. James Harrison for the Steelers. Jerzon Newton on the Future Stars. Spencer Rattler and Neil Smith for the Chiefs. There you go, Art. A little bit of, we know about Neil Smith on the refractor jump. And a little love for the Saints too while we're at it. I know this guy used to be your boy back in the day. Neil Smith, he ain't played no games. Rodney Hampton, Jason Elam. Hold up, Jason. Bruce Smith for the Bills. We'll take that, bro. We'll take that. Byron Murphy for the Seahawks. Another Bill. Ooh, it's numbered too, bro. Out of 399. 22 out of 399. A little Keon Coleman action. Bills pack. Caleb Williams on the base. And Frank Gore Jr. Another Bill. Not bad, bro. Not bad. It's pretty nice. And you know, Bruce Smith, I mean, it's Bruce Smith. B-Wax, that's a nice looking card. It's not super low numbered, but it's nice. That's another thing that I was saying about earlier about Topps. The quality of their cards. They're just a little bit better. They just are. It wouldn't be so easy to take some of those and just destroy them. Like some of those Paninis. Javon Curse. Ooh, how about a Brock Bowers on the all etch? There we go. Not bad, Bill. Antonio Freeman for the pack. Excellent. Youthquake. Refractor. Marvin Harrison. A Junior. Going to slabs. Braden Fisk. And a Maurice Jones-Drew for the Jags on the refractor. Good pack. Man, these megas don't play. That's why I've been putting them in so much. They just don't play around. I've maybe opened like one that I wasn't okay with. Or where I wasn't happy. Look at that. Bam. Antonio Freeman. Used to be a little bit of a nightmare. Old Antonio Freeman. And Braden Fisk. Beast, you didn't miss. You missed 2 hangers and a couple of packs in the Mega, bro. No, none of your boys yet. Maybe you got here just in time. Tony Dorsett. Felt like you might have had a card behind him. Hines Ward. Jason Taylor on the X-Fractor for the Dolphins. Michael Vick on the All Etch for the Falcons. Will Reichert and Kalen Bullock. Oh, yeah. Mike was not a refractor, but we'll take it. It's a start, Falcon. And Jason Taylor for the Dolphins. Phil Simms. Roger Staubach for the Chargers, I believe. Darren Sproles on the X-Fractor. There's a Bo Nix finally, bro. It's just a base, but it's a start. Tyler Guyton And Nate Wiggins on the refractor. We'll take that. Yes, we will. Coffee, it's a start. And he's really not that bad. Tyler Guide. We've got Dalton Hilliard. Oh, how about a little C.J. Stroud action for the Texans? That's going to Fred. Carolina Panthers, Mushin Mohammed. Wow. Bill, you got the refractor all etch Brock Bowers too. Fashanu and Terrion Arnold for the Lions. Still a pack left in that mega. We're not done yet. There's a QB headed our way. Actually, maybe not. CJ was in there. Walter Payton. Lawrence Taylor. We got a Colt here. We got a Colt. Come on, Tyler. Excellent. Anthony Richardson. Lawrence Taylor all-chrome team. Audric Estime and Paul Krause for the Vikings. We got a whole nother mega to go. That was just one. And then there's 3 hobbies back there. I see some people going into the shop. That break in there is for tomorrow morning. 8:30 in the morning. It does have another one of these Topps Chrome Sapphires in it. And some other stuff. Jonathan Ogden. Neil Anderson. Andre Reed for the Bills. Legends of the Gridiron Joe Montana. I don't think that's a refractor. It is awfully shiny, though. It's not. Dylan Johnson and Jacob Cowling. Joseph Montana. No, I don't, Tyler. So I get in breaks. I do get in breaks. So whatever ends up happening, at the end of the day, I usually get it from that. I don't go out and buy the cards. I just end up with some stuff. Andrew Whitworth, Randall Cunningham, Warren Moon on the finesse, Jonathan Brooks, and Delaney Walker for the Titans on the refractor. Okay. Eric Moulds. I don't know why they're all upside down. Kevin Falk. Brad Johnson for the Bucks. How about a Xavier Worthy? Nice art. Ooh, that's pretty nice too. For the Dolphins out of 150 on the blue. Malik Washington, University of Virginia. Bo Nix base and Heartthrob Sam Hartman. Love that Hartman. Maybe we'll be a little auto in here. You never know. Could be. I catch a beat running like Randy Moss. Bruce Matthews for the Titans on the all-chrome team. For the Bengals, Chad Ochocinco. Edrin Cooper on the refractor future stars for the Pack. Colt Bishop and CJ2K for the Titans on the refractor. A lot of refractors in that one. We like. Bengals finally got a little bit of love. I think that might be the first card there, Eric. And the Titans are semi-eaten at this particular juncture. But it's not all done yet. B-Wax, I think you did, bro. Yeah, you did. You did. Oh, what's that? It's a patch. Nolan Cromwell. Good luck. For the Buffalo Bills, Ray Davis on the first-year fabric, and he has worn that. Worn by the featured player. John Hanna for the Pats. Terry and Arnold. Xavier Legette and Malachi Corley on the refractor. Those are nice patches. Wait till Inception comes out next week. We'll be doing plenty of that. And it's got a pretty good price point, you guys. But the best part about it is I believe it's one auto and one auto and one mem, and all the mems are player worn. All the mems are player worn. It's like Topps' version of an Obsidian, but much less. It's like a baby Obsidian is the best way to put it. But we're going to get into some, that's for sure. That you can count on. You can take that to the bank. Not yet, but we haven't opened a hobby. So you just hold that thought. Also, I keep seeing people going in the shop. That is tomorrow morning's break in the shop. That's tomorrow morning. Charles Tillman, Santana Moss for the Commanders. All right. Dwight Stevenson for the Dolphins. Bruce Matthews again on the refractor. Michael Pratt and Ben Sinnott. These are the only... we've opened a lot of these megas. These are the only two that were upside down like that. Where I had to keep flipping the cards. Now, I have opened a mega with a patch and an auto in it. I'm not saying that's going to happen. I'm just saying I've done it. Chris Carter. Mike Vrabel. Drew Pearson for the Cowboys. Dan Marino, Sunday Swag. He's got a little bit of wax on him there. Jabari Small and Jonah Ellis to end out the retail. Now it's hobby time. Illusions. 5 cards per pack, 10 packs per box. Let's get this party started. Retail treated us well. It did. But now for the real stuff. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Empty box. That makes 10. Good luck. We're just going to start right here and see what's popping. Well, we start out with a Drake May. Followed up with a Dak Prescott. Lambjack is next. And I think we've got a patch here. I can't see it yet. Ladd McConkey on the patch out of 99. Tricolor patch. Sweet. That's going to Arkham. And who we got on the back here? How about a J.J. McCarthy Illusionists out of a $3.99 for the Vikings? Going to my boy Fred. It's a good first pack. Got to be careful with illusions, folks. No joke. Be careful with them. They are soft. Very, very soft cards. Okay. Not bad. Good stuff. Ooh, this one's even thicker. What's going on here? Tua. Joseph Montana. Bryce Young. It looks like we have some kind of auto here. For the Commanders, Bright Lights. Brian Robinson Jr. out of 299. And behind Mr. B-Rob is Jared Goff on the Abra Cadabra. It's Goff. And this is very big card. These bright lights ain't no joke. All right, so we got an auto and a patch in the first two packs. Something's in this one too. That's huge. Marvin Harrison Jr. DJ Moore. Kenneth Walker III. And going to Tyler. How about a Latu on-card auto for the Colts out of 99? Pops will like that one. And a Xavier Worthy for the Chiefs out of 50. Art, don't miss. Shining Stars, Xavier Worthy. Art, you just keep on chugging along, don't you? Look at you. That's nasty. That's a nasty looking card. And we'll take on cards. Let's see. Yeah, we're going to need that one's a little bit bigger. I'm going to need to open these. Illusions is all over the place. Sometimes you don't need them. Sometimes you do. Anybody going into the shop right now, that break is for tomorrow morning. Tomorrow morning is what I said. Well, they're just throwing all the hits at us. 2 autos, a mem out of 50. We've got Jalen Hurts, followed with Max Crosby, followed with Jared Goff, and 2 really thin. Oh, it's another auto. Audric Estime. Doesn't look like it's numbered. Rookie Vision. That's the first one I've pulled of that. Oh, it is numbered on the back out of 99. That's the first Rookie Vision I've seen auto. And Josh Allen on the Abracadabra. Wow, they're all in a row here, folks. That's 3 autos. There's only a mem left. Maybe we'll get 4. That's kind of crazy. 4 packs, 4 hits. That's rare. And I didn't mix them up or anything. They just came right out the box that way. We've got Ladd McConkey, Austin Eckler, Justin Herbert, Kirk Cousins out of 399, and a Shining Stars Nick Bosa for the Niners. Not numbered, but we'll take it. We'll take a little Bosa action. Kirk McGirt. And our boy Ladd. It's going to be interesting 5 packs here, in my opinion. Let's see what's going on here. Garrett Wilson. Saquon Barkley. A.J. Brown. We've got a Terry Bradshaw out of 299, looking a little pinkish to me. And out of 199, a Cade Stover for the Texans going to Fred. And Arkham likes any and all Steelers. He welcomes them. We've got a Spencer Rattler in this pack. Terry Bradshaw. Zaire Franklin. Oh boy. This is kind of sick. It's kind of sick. Look at this. For the Vikings, going to Fred out of 99. Talk about a color match. That's pretty sweet, bro. Corners look good. That's not bad. And Joe Burrow on the Game Magicians. Look at that. That's nice. Somebody said something nasty. Stop it. Illusions destroys 55 corners. We have Patty Mahomes, followed with Derek Carr, Trey Hendrickson. And for the Niners, out of $3.99, Joe Montana and a Christian McCaffrey abracadabra behind that. 2 back-to-back, Danny. Russell Wilson. We've got Bucky finally showed up for the Bucs. Okay. Dallas Turner for the Vikings. For the Cardinals, Marvin Harrison Jr. out of $3.99. Okay. Okay. And Joey Bosa on the Amazing for the Chargers. It's amazing. Not any of any stature, bro. There were some legends, a few legends, but no, not really. But we still got 2 hobbies left and a pack. Maybe Malik's chilling in this pack right here. There's a patch in here. Adam Thielen. Michael Penix Jr. Geno Smith. For the Ravens, congrats, bro. How about a highlight swatches Lambjack? Yeah, we'll take that. And an abracadabra Derrick Henry. Back to back. You gotta love it. Now, I can't tell if Lambjack's... Yeah, he's good. Couldn't tell how thick Lambjack was there, brother. But, there you go. And a Derrick Henry chilling right there with it. Coffee gets him a couple of deeds. Just a couple. Make it crazy round here. That's right, Yojitsu. A couple of deeds. All right. It's on to the Zenith. Come on, let's get a zoom. Zoom, zoom, zoom. 6 cards. I will do a recap at the end. And I will post a break for tomorrow morning's break. That is, I'll post a video for tomorrow morning's break. Empty box. That's right, Jim. Let's get it. Oh, well, that's a great start. Hey, Beast. How about a Bo Nix on the Alphas? Yeah. That's a sweet-looking card right there. Nice, Beast. I don't know if you've got that one yet. You do now. For the Cowboys, out of 50, going to Jeremy, 36 out of 50, C.D. Lamb. Chalk Talk. Jim Harbaugh, 24 out of 25 for the Chargers. That's kind of sick. Especially since he's now the coach. That's pretty cool. That might be something people want. And look what I tell you. What did I tell you? They're all up in it. Jalen McMillan on the RPA for the Bucks out of 399. Okay. Take that, Jim. Who is that? Oh my goodness. I couldn't tell it was him. It's Tip Ryman on the auto out of 99. Slab it up. George Teague on the High Point auto out of 99. Did we just get 3 autos? Okay. Hey, Jimmy. Did we just get 3 autos? George Teague out of 99 on the High Point. Tip Ryman, they must have felt bad. They must have felt bad. Oh, I see what you're saying. You're right, Dylan. Tight end, Tip Ryman, he's a DN. That's not Tip Ryman, that's their tight end, I think. That's weird. An error tip card. McBride, that's it. Thanks, QC. That's weird. That's weird. It's a good box, though. I didn't even think about the fact he had the ball in his hands. I wasn't even paying attention to that. I was like, who is that? And then it said Tip Ryman, and I was like, oh. He moved the tight end, so now Tip's a tight end, so that's correct. Look at you, Tip. That's a good box, though. Nice hit, Beast. All right. You know what time it is. No more games. Good luck, everybody. We've got another box of this tomorrow morning, pinned at the bottom. But let's see what this one has. So looking at his face, I think that's Tip. I've seen him enough times. I'm pretty sure that's Tip. But every time we've seen him up to that point, he was wearing his defensive gear, wasn't he? Or a different number, I think. Maybe not. There were 8 packs in this, folks. That's an empty box. Okay. There are 8 packs in this. 1 auto, 3 numbered parallels. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Good luck. And if you haven't seen these before, get ready. Dan Marino. Michael Dean Perry for the Browns. Definitely take that. Julian Edelman for the Pats. And Devontae Walker for the Ravens. Now, for the sake of me not having to go up and get some more top loaders, I'm going to take care of these. All of these will go into a top loader. But I don't want to have to go get some more and stop the break. So we're not going to do that. I probably have enough, but I'm not going to chance it. Diana Miranda, good evening. This pack feels light. Archie Manning for the Saints. Uh-oh. Archie Griffin for the Bengals. Cleveland Browns. Joe Thomas out of 50. Nice, football girl. Congrats. I know you'll take... Look how nice that card is. And Jackson Powers Johnson for the Raiders. Congrats, Bethany. That's a nice card on the orange. Not a lot for the Browns to get, but we take Joe Thomas's. I like it when people that, you know, kind of get their teams all the time get a little something. Black Diamond, I have no clue. No clue at all. I don't know. We've got Ed McCaffrey for the Broncos. Uh-oh, that's out of 15. Danny Amendola. Pulling from the back. Michael Wiley. Buffalo. Bruce Smith, 10 out of 15, bro. Congrats. Nice. These cards are so nice. That's nasty. Out of 15 out of 50. We've got James Harrison. That might be the auto. Doug Flutie, pulling from the back. Kamani Vidal for the Eagles. Ron Jaworski out of 25, bro. That's, oh, I'm sorry. That's gold. This is orange. I can see it now. That's gold. That's orange. Kersax. Congrats, bro. That's an excellent Ron Jaworski right there you just got. Glad that's going to your collection, because I know you got some mighty fine Eagles in it. And like I said, all these will go into top loaders. I just don't want to run out with 4 packs left. Nice hit, bro. Now, could we get a little rookie QB action? Antonio Freeman. Darren Sproles, Ricky Williams for the Dolphins, and Jalen Wright for the Dolphins. Okay. That's a nice card, bro. I'm not even an Eagles fan. I like that card. I'd put that in my PC. LaRon Jaworski out of 25. Anthony Richardson, nice. It's our last numbered card. Andre Rison. Brendan Rice out of 50 on the gold. And Roman Wilson for the Steelers. I don't think we have any more numbers left, but we do have rookies. There's good old Brad Johnson for the Bucks. Andre Reed, Bills are eating. Chris Long for the Rams. And Chop Robinson, Dolphins are eating too. 1 pack to go, folks. Good luck. I hope there's a nasty, at least one QB in all of this. You never know. But I hope there's a QB chilling at the back of this. And if there's not, then I don't know what to expect tomorrow mornings. Dwight Stevenson. Devin Hester. Randy White. It's a QB, but it's for the Saints. Spencer Rattler for the Saints. And these cards are just spectacular. I'd love to do a whole break of just those. No, they did not, Mr. Hilborn, but you know I got your back. You know I'm not going to leave you hanging in any capacity. Hang on, let me get these together here and we'll do a recap. I'm gonna take care of all these right now. Look how nice these cards are. It's just insane. I keep saying it, but I don't know how to explain it. It's a card you want. That's the best way I can put it. All right. Tomorrow morning's break is pinned down there, folks. We're going to get some more of this ripping in tomorrow. I know most of you leave right now. Thank you so much. I appreciate you. I'll get a video posted for tomorrow morning. Bill, you did all right, bro. You did all right. You did all right. But we'll do a recap here. Tip Ryman. Tip Ryman with the surprise. Actually had a decent amount of cards. It's a good break. It's a good combo of boxes. Actually had a decent amount of cards. It's a good break. It's a good combo of boxes. Kind of spreads the love out to all this multiple teams. All right, recap time. We've got Keon Coleman, Tua, Eric Allen, Jahmyr Gibbs, Chris Olave, Jonathan Brooks, Xavier Worthy, Spencer Rattler, Don Beebe, DK Metcalf, Brian Thomas Jr., Paul Krause, Bo Nix, Nate Wiggins, Mike Vick, Antonio Freeman, Bruce Smith, Marvin Harrison Jr., Keon Coleman out of $3.99, Neil Smith, James Harrison, Caleb Williams, and Maurice Jones-Drew. And just so you know, I've got quite a few of those Sapphires over here that I just need to top load. I top loaded most of them. Kirk Cousins, Marvin Harrison Jr. Break posted is for tomorrow morning, just so everybody knows. Santana Moss, Dwight Stevenson, John Hanna, Xavier Leggetti, Malachi Corley, Bruce Matthews, Edgren Cooper, Chris Johnson. Scotty, what's up, bro? Tell me that there were some Giants playa. Xavier Worthy, Randall Cunningham, Delaney Walker, C.J. Stroud, Josh Allen, Brian Robinson Jr. out of $2.99. Drake May, J.J. McCarthy is out of $3.99. Brock Bowers. Boo, Scotty, boo. Take it back. Do it over again. Lad McConkey on the patch. Tricolor patch out of 99. Xavier Worthy out of 50. 39 out of 50. 38 out of 50. Shining Stars. Lad McConkey. On the patch, Ray Davis, first-year fabric. Anthony Richardson. Jared Goff. Drew Pearson. Bruce Matthews. Chad Johnson. Malik Washington, and that is out of 150. Bo Nix. Andre Reed. Audric Estime. Mushin Mohammed. Darren Sproles. Jason Taylor. Terry Bradshaw out of $2.99. And for the other stack, we've got the Latu on-card auto out of 99. You know, a lot of people got their teams and got their players for their teams tonight. That doesn't always happen. That's kind of cool. Spencer Rattler, Christian McCaffrey, Nick Bosa, Audric Estime auto out of 99. Archie Griffin, George Teague auto for the Cowboys High Point full out of 99. Marvin Harrison Jr. out of $3.99. Tip Ryman auto out of 99 on that hollaback. Lambjack on the highlight swatches. Chop Robinson, Ricky Williams, James Harrison, Dan Marino, Devontae Walker, Joe Montana out of $3.99. Dallas Turner, Joey Bosa, Joe Burrow, Cade Stover out of 199, Michael Penix Jr., Derrick Henry, Bucky Irving, CeeDee Lamb out of 50, 36 out of 50 on the Chalk Talk, Jalen McMillan out of 399 RPA for the Bucks, Jalen Wright, Archie Manning, Spencer Rattler, Anthony Richardson, Devin Hester, Brendan Rice out of 50 on the gold, Joe Thomas out of 50 on the gold, Bruce Smith out of 15 for the Bills. That's pretty nasty. Bo Nix Alphas for the Broncos. Ron Jaworski Jaws 14 out of 25 on the orange auto. Jim Harbaugh 24 out of 25 for the Chargers. And just a really nice looking card. J.J. McCarthy 68 out of 99 for the Vikings. Not too shabby, folks. All right, let me get all this together. I'm going to get all this sorted for you guys tonight so we can have a good start to tomorrow morning. Have a good ready for the next day. Saturday and Sunday bring special treats, folks. I hope you're able to attend. Everybody have a great night. Curse Action, I appreciate you, bro. Scotty, Arkham, everybody. Enjoy the rest of your night. I'm going to grab something to eat real quick. And then I'll post a video for tomorrow morning's break. I will see ya when I see ya, which is tomorrow morning. Okay? Get you some good sleep now. Primo's ripping bright and early.